So if you're milking me, goat day.
Stimulates.
Now we gotta learn how to use this.
We don't know what we're doing.
You gave the teat a squirt.
A lot of trial and error.
I am ready for some error.
Here, pull out your face.
I think we need all hands on deck.
Untie it, untie it.
Oh my god. Oh Jesus, I need some support here.
Well, hello yet again. Today I am painting this goat shelter finally. This is where we're going to be actually milking the goats. This is the milking station, and it's time to make this thing look nice finally. You know, it's been really hot, and if it hasn't been really hot, it's been raining. Looks like neither of those are going away. So today I have some free time. I'm gonna get on this. And this is gonna be a really fun thing once we get it done and up and running, because a big thing of what we wanted to do with this farm was be able to have goats and milk them and make soap products, lotions, lip balms, you name it. But before we can do that, some painting needs to happen. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to vacate the premises. This is a goat house, not an 8-legged freak house. So here I am adding the white trim to our goat shelter. What do you know? Our neighbor's goats come in, they come say hi. And that one right there comes and sticks her head in the paint can and caused a big old mess. Not cool. A big you for ruining my life. Don't shake your ass at me. Oh God, I can't. So much pollen out here. Whew. Oh, I got a headband on. Whoa. From ay to all right. Looks like my work is done here.
No way!
God damn it. Okay, so today has turned into a goat day.
Goat day.
Shelter is all painted and ready for them, and now we're on our way to Tractor Supply to get some hay to lay on the bottom of it. And we've got our neighbor's goats locked off, and they're gonna be staying with us for a bit so we can milk them.
So we're gonna be like surrogate mom and dad to 4 goats. 3 of the 4 of them are really, really friendly. They were bottle babies, so they love humans. Cletus and the 2 unicorns.
Mm-hmm.
And then Miss Bernadette. Bernadette's like,
She poppin'.
she is the ever mama. She has had a number of litters. She's a little bit feisty, but she's the one with the biggest, juiciest udders. And we need to wrangle her somehow.
It'll be a rough one. We gotta milk her twice a day.
Twice a day. We've never milked a goat, and we have.
About to.
Yeah, the shelter's done. We've got the milking station set up. We don't know what we're doing, but we're, hoping we'll get some milk. We're gonna get goat feed. We're going to get hay.
Whole bunch of hay.
I've heard they really like the alfalfa hay. I don't know if they are going to have that over at Tractor Supply, but we'll see. We're also going to get a milking bucket. By the end of today, we'll either have milk or bruises from being abused by Bernadette
Probably both.
for trying to milk
I
her.
think we'll be successful, but yeah, we're gonna get kicked. We're gonna get bucked.
We are.
We get bucked so hard.
It's going to be hard. This is a really big day and a really big step for us because goats are the next step in our farming journey. This is progress that is leading us toward our own goats. We have our eyes on a couple of different bottle babies. Who knows, by the end of this week or possibly the end of next week, we're going to have, I hope, our own baby goats. We're going to be raising hopefully some little ones that we'll love and then eventually breed and milk. So
It's the plan. We got goats.
oh no,
no.
It's all right, we'll come back.
Got accidents.
Brian is now a goat herder.
Come with me, my children. Yoo-hoo. Follow daddy.
Oh, that's not fair.
Oh man. It's spicy up.
Come, my minions.
Come with there, children.
Come, my children. Come, my... Yes.
Yeah, babe, you happy.
Hi, babies. Right, so what we've got here, that's a milking station right there. They're just gonna eat all this hay, man.
With the plastic.
So we're gonna throw down this hay.
Throw down, all right. A little premature there, girl.
All right.
Satisfying.
That was satisfying.
maybe one was enough.
Yeah, because it's very compressed, you know?
Yeah.
Y'all are snacking.
Let's cover up that spot that unicorn number 1 caused. Oh, bless you, bud.
Great for your hay fever, huh?
Sure is.
Right now, Bernadette, the mama, is over
Oh, she's still over there? Oh.
by the gate where her babies are on the other side, and she is very much wanting to get back to her babies and feel bad, but they've been milking for plenty long now, and they're eating real food now, so they don't need her milk anymore.
Separate them eventually. And we'll take that milk. Good.
Hey, Days,
Hey.
you're steady.
Making it rain. I don't know what you guys are doing, but you're crazy. It's raining, hey. Guys, are you okay with this?
Hate you. I want to be a goat.
You are a goat.
Why do they get all the attentions? Now don't eat where you piss. All right, step 1, done.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, allergies are going.
Yeah. Now we gotta learn how to use this.
So, I mean,
Brian, you want to test it out?
yeah. So if you're milking me,
The head must go in
it
here.
definitely goes through there. I know that much.
This here.
Does that maybe, when their head's in there, does this maybe like wrap around the front under their front legs? Probably something we should have researched, but
Oh yeah.
a couple of Hollywooders
We gotta go
debating
watch
is
some
better.
videos. We're not milking right now.
No, for sure.
We're gonna go and learn how to milk,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna come back and give it a try. This is really cool. We have our milking station. We have happy goats, except for Bernadette. All right, let's go learn. Wee, wee.
You need to keep in mind that it's not like the movies. It's not a pulling motion. It's rather a trapping and squeezing motion. So I use my thumb and my forefinger to close off the top of the teat, and then use the rest of my fingers to squeeze my way down. Trapping the milk. Try not to balloon the milk in the bottom of the teat, as that can cause some damage. I gently trap the milk and then gently squeeze the rest out.
Look. Got it. Let's go.
No.
Oh.
A sterile milking bucket. First things first, you need a compliant goat. And she kicks a lot, and I'm really tired of having a foot in my milk. So I kind of restrain her legs a bit. It doesn't hurt her. So you just wash each of the whole udder and then the teat.
Gotta give them a nipple bath.
You can use any kind of soap you want. I try to use soap that you are able to,
I volunteer.
that's not going to harm you. You give the teat a squirt, cap off the teat with your index finger and your thumb.
Okay.
Cap it off, and then squeeze.
And roll. Squeeze and roll.
So we've been milking for 7 or 8 minutes already, and I've gotten quite a bit out of her teats. We've got close to a half a gallon here. Now, one thing I like to do when it's getting a little small is I'll take the bucket out and kind of tap on her udders like the
So that's what the babies do.
like her kids would to get more milk out. It doesn't
It
hurt her.
stimulates.
It stimulates the milk to drop. And this does not hurt her at all.
No, that's what the babies do. They come over there and ram her.
They're rough.
They're pretty aggressive.
And we have seen them like just
more
right
care.
into
Painful.
punch it.
It's just about done.
So a lot more sterilizing than I had considered. A lot more steps.
Does everybody go to do all that?
Probably not. That sounds like a lot.
The other one was like, just here's how you milk.
You
Like,
have to do
boom.
multiple times a day. Let's watch another one maybe.
Alright, so all I do first is to wash the udders. Sometimes it's really dirty.
This is your soapy rag.
Yeah, soapy rag. When you wash the udders or whenever you handle the udders, you don't want to be too gentle, because otherwise they'll just feel like you're tickling them.
It's a lot of milk.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm less worried about the squeezing of the teats, and I'm more worried about wrangling these goats.
Well, for sure. Well, we know to sanitize and wipe the teats. Trap it with your thumb and forefinger, and then you use your middle finger, ring
I like
fingers to kind of like.
Squeeze it
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
So so it's not better.
So I will clean a pot.
I'll wash the teats.
We can together wash the teats. Remember, we
I wanna wash
gotta
the
manhandle those teats because
Right.
otherwise they feel like they're being tickled, and we
That's
could
where I
get
come in.
The hardest part is going to be getting them up there. I surmise we're going to get kicked or bucked.
We milk with one and we can hold the bucket with the other, and I can be back there holding the legs, keep it from getting kicked or the bucket from getting kicked over.
We also have to make sure that the headrest like does latch together. I mean, it's going to be a lot of trial and error.
Yeah. Ready for some error?
I am ready for some error.
I am ready for some error. I am ready for some error.
I'm scared.
You should be.
I'm scared. Those goats are strong. You know what's going on, huh? Well, I mean... Ooh. I'll watch myself here. Oh boy, oh boy.
We're gonna get back. Careful, watch your face.
I mean, maybe you can feed her while I milk her.
Put your head in. Get you. Hey, see this? This way. Come on, there you go, baby. Good job. Oh, almost.
No!
There you go. There you go. Just like that. Yoink. We're doing it. Oh my god. Yeah. It's okay. It's not good. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, so this is not the right tool.
Nope.
So let's get other bungees.
Still close.
I think that should be okay.
Easier. I think it does have to be pretty firm on her, or she can wiggle out.
No, Cletus. Hey, don't eat bungees.
There you go. Remember this? There you go. Okay, let's be ready to get that down on her. There we go. Take the balls. There you go. Okay, sweet.
Untie it, untie it, untie it.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Untie it.
Okay. All right. Right here. Oh Jesus! I need some support here. She's big.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's bumped a tendon in my elbow that went all the way to my hand. It's okay. See, get some food.
This is not gonna happen. This is not gonna happen. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Look at that. Can I have my leash back?
Oh, God, my elbow. Milking is hard. So that went good. We got 3 gallons of milk. They were all very cooperative.
Yeah, we're gonna go make some cheese?
Yeah, let's do it.
Womp womp.
Is what we wish we'd be saying.
Yeah, no, didn't happen at all.
At all.
And either a
So-
human is going to end up hurt or a goat is going to end up hurt. Man, I'm sweating.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably not the best case to be learning on goats that already kind of didn't really trust us. These are our neighbors' goats.
They don't know what's going on. We're just random people right now suddenly like pinning them up to a contraption and then touching their udders. You know, I think they're just like, hell no, what is this? And this is why I want to have
Get
our
around
own bottle
babies,
babies so that they are raised really, really comfortable around you. So, you know, that's part of learning. And I said either this is going to go horribly wrong or it's going to go well. And, you know, it
only went wrong, not
It
horribly.
didn't go horribly wrong, but it was scary at times. These aren't our goats. I don't want to mess with them.
Come back for take 2.
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead and finish that.